वीडियोकॉन जीना इसी का नाम है। केन घोष से बातें हो रही है। मैं एक काम करता हूँ, पहले हम यहाँ से सुनते हैं एक मैसेज इनके मुतालिक जो है, और वीडियो की दुनिया से जुड़ी हुई एक शख्सियत, कामयाब शख्सियत, मशहूर शख्सियत, उनका मैसेज सुनते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं। यहाँ
There you are. Mr. Ghosh, you being a very influential video director, where at one point your name was on the music channels more than the VJ's names were, or your incredible ability as to whether you're doing just one project or 5, 6, 7, 8 projects. I remember meeting you on so many occasions, and I remember saying hi and laughing and talking about great ideas, and then you'd talk to the barman, and I don't remember a single thing about any of our meetings after that. So, I think it's been really nice knowing you.
अच्छा, एक और हसीना को बुलाते हैं, प्लीज आइए। मिष्टी दो। आपकी और सुचित्रा की जान पहचान कब की है?
बहुत पहले। आई थिंक आई फर्स्ट केम टू यू व्हेन आई मेड अ डेमो टेप, एंड उसके लिए मैं वीडियो बनाना चाहती थी, एंड ही सेड not happening, budget too low and all. Yeah, right. It's true. And then of course then Dole happened, and Ken is the one who's actually taught me to, you know, I used to keep having these arguments with him, and I used to say, Ken, I'm an artist, and you say, bullshit, you have to be a babe, you know. To me, whatever, I mean, he's a friend, he's everything, but to me Ken will always be a director, in the sense that I trust him so much, his sense of aesthetics, his you know, his talent so much that whatever, I mean, I'll be on, you know what I mean. It's like
एक और शख्सियत को आपने जो गाने वाने गवाए, जो बहुत खुश है, और फिर एक मतलब खूबसूरत औरत है, ऊपर से भी आपके लिए कुछ बोलना चाहती हूँ।
You've done some great videos for me. You've played a very important role in my career, and I really thank you from the bottom of my heart for that. It's good to see that you spread your wings and you're flying really high, and you're exactly at a spot, a place where you've always wanted to be. You've always wanted to direct a film, and I'm so happy it's a great success. I wish you all the very best. Take care of yourself, Ken. Lots of love from Germany. Bye!
I'm impressed. So sweet. So sweet. Very sweet.
अच्छा, आप प्लीज तशरीफ रखें।
Thank you.
मैं बड़े भारी दिल से और कुछ मतलब अनमनासा हो के जो है एक और हसीन औरत को बुलाना चाहता हूँ, जो इंसिस्ट करती है कि आपसे बात करेंगी। वो आइए। Hi Anaida, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Nice to have you on the show.
Pleasure.
We were talking about this very calm, cool, collected, gentle, considerate, बहुत ही innocent, मासूम किस्म का।
Innocent and मासूम।
Of course.
बहुत naughty है।
Naughty?
You could have fooled
very
us.
naughty.
मतलब इतनी मासूम और
It's very
बेचारे
naughty.
मासूम।
I'm naughty.
So that's why the मासूम doesn't.
It doesn't work.
I've worked only once with Anaida. We had great fun in that one video which we shocked people. It was quite an interesting concept where we said in the future, women will be in command. It was something which a lot of people couldn't accept. No. How can something like this
You
happen?
were ahead of your times. आप प्लीज तशरीफ रखें।
Thank you.
अब जो है प्लीज एक बहुत ही अच्छे और टैलेंटेड मर्द आपके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहते हैं यहाँ से।
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप इस प्रोग्राम में आए हैं, और मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि मेरी जो ज़िंदगी जो है एक नई पॉप इंडस्ट्री आपने शुरू की म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री के साथ, वो आपकी वजह से शुरू हुई। बोलो तारा रारा आपने बहुत अच्छा शूट किया, फिर डरदी रब रब आपने बहुत ही कमाल किया। आपकी बदौलत पहली बार मैंने कैमरा फेस किया, मैं आपका शुक्रगुजार हूँ। और एक बात आपको कहना चाहता हूँ, जो अपना काम है उसे दोबारा शुरू कर दीजिए, ताकि और अच्छे अच्छे पॉप आर्टिस्ट आप दुनिया को दे सकें।
कम लोग शायद जानते हो कि आपने एड फिल्में भी बनाई हैं। तो वो कैसे हुआ सर?
They are natural extensions. The music videos, advertising is.
he wants the money.
And the money is better.
ऐड की दुनिया का जिक्र हो और ये साहब उस जिक्र में शामिल ना हो तो जिक्र अधूरा रह जाता है। मैं बुलाता हूँ उस बहुत हंगामा खेज शख्सियत को। आइए। आदाब प्रहलाद Nice to have you back. आइए रे यार यहाँ आ जाइए
You know, I have I've made an entry into music videos only because of Prahlad Kakkar. Because Prahlad was always quoting too much, and I was a guy who was willing to do it for less.
He's made a big mark for himself in the kind of work that he's doing.
As usually came to me and said, yeah, I need some advice on women and who to cast and what to do and all. We better make this a success so that, at least he doesn't come back and start making ad films at some cut rate, kind of thing. Isko jara dhakel do us taraf. So, in the middle, then we were trying to get him to cast a lady who was a little too old for that particular film. So we said, let's change the script. So, that she's a teacher. And there's a, student. So this boy is now split between not two girls, but between the teacher and his girlfriend. For a long time, he thought seriously about it.
Then I said, I realized only Prahlad will be watching.
There's still scope for making a sequel to that.
इनके दफ्तर में मुझे लगता है ऐसी सब चीज़ों का चर्चा ज़्यादा होता रहता है इनके दफ्तर वालों से पूछते हैं प्रहलाद ये बता रहे हैं हमको
Do you know guys what Ken means? Yes! K for? Kind! E for? Energetic! N for? Never say die! That's right, boss. We are fed on you. Bye, boss. Have fun! Thank you. Bye!
Hi Ken, it's been almost 6 years I've worked with you and learned a lot from you. One incident I would like to share with all of us around is there was this cat which was being beaten up by one of the local guys, and you'd got out of the car and you fought with the guy and you took the cat along with you and you gave it to the office peons to take care of the cat. So that is one human aspect of your life which I always remember. All the best for your future ventures.